Yeah, the course is upwind start, obviously, and then it's a reach, right?
Yeah.
Or a spreader mark, and then a reach, and then back up to the windward mark, and then a full downwind, and then a beat back up to the finish.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Group 1, attacking. 2, 1, and wait up.
The line! Look at the boy! Line for the boy!
First time racing here in Marstrand in the winter, and like I said yesterday, it's been a really fun weekend. Great racing, great quality. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Some of the best racing I've done in a long time. It's been a lovely weekend. So thank you.